Welcome to our channel. In the last session, we discussed how to create a virtual environment, and on that virtual environment, how to install the Django module. After completion, we created a project. Yes, so the name of my project is I created first project. This is name. Remember, under a project you can create any number of apps. Now what is our step? Our step is creating an app. This is my next step. So how to create an app? What the app consists of? Simply app is used to perform some action. Here this is my starting program. Here I am creating an app simply to display some message. Whenever we are moving on, we will discuss the complicated things, some applications, not a problem. Okay. Now, assume my name of the app is first app. Now, what is the first step in the creation of app? See this command prompt. Once the project is created, the screen looks like this. Simply press Ctrl C to move back to the virtual environment. Here right now I am pressing Ctrl C. We move back to the virtual environment. Now we already know how do we create a project. Django admin start project and then name of the project. Exactly in the same sense, Django admin. Here we are creating an app. So start app space first app. You got it? So right now an app is created. Check whether an app with the name first app is created or not. Simply go to the C drive, the folder users. Under this folder, where is my virtual environment? This Nagaraju is the virtual environment. Select this one. Scripts. Now this is your project. First project. Now observe, under this project, here I am creating an app. Just now an app is created with the name first app. When I open this first app, we have some set of Python files and some migration folder. We will discuss each and everything in detail, not a problem. Just now my thing is creating an app. Okay. My sixth step is completed. Now move back to next one. After that, you already know what is MVT model, how MVT model is implemented. Whatever the request through URL that is sent to view. You remember that one? View is a function that takes the request and give the response. Here, what is my app? My app takes a request and response is simply hello world. So you need to write a function in views.py, that is views Python file. Simply this is the content here. Already the content is available. Simply open the file. Ideally, through ideally I am opening file, open. I am move back to my virtual environment. So under C users has, this is my virtual environment. Scripts, remember the path. The path is very important. Now first here select the Python file views. Select this one. This is the Python file. Here what you need to write a function. That function takes the request and given the response. That function take the request and given the response. See this one. So this is already available. Django.shortcuts import render. Right now we are not using the render. So whenever we are creating an HTML file by using template, then you are using render. That is our next session. Here we are importing the class HTTP response. Assume my function name is first app. Remember, there is no rest condition. The app name and the view name both are same. There is no restriction. Here I am creating a function first app. It takes the request. And then what it returns? It returns some HTTP response. You got it? That is a view. Is the only view is sufficient? No. What are the other things? You need to remember some other things. Once a view takes the request from URL, yes or no? That means you need to update this URL, yes or no? You need to update this URL. From this URL to the request is transferred to the view. So, in your app consists of another file urls.py. In this file, you have to include the app name. You need to include the app. Right now, the file is not at all available. This is the first time the file is not at all available. You need to create a file and then add that one. And then add that one. Simply the procedure is file, new file, copy the content. Here simply URL pattern specifies the list of patterns, that is the list of apps. Here path is the function which is used to move to the specified path. Under this views, what is the name? My name is first app, like this. This is the meaning. Now save the program. Where you have to save the program? You need to save the program where that particular views.py file is available. Where views.py file is available? Under first app. Exactly, remember, where views.py file is available, you need to save the urls.py at that folder. Save. So here only one step is remaining. Now the request is taken by this URL pattern. From this request is sent to the view. View give the response. Everything is happened inside the first app. Now what is the logic? Another logic is here. A project may consist of many number of apps, right or wrong? A project consists of many number of apps. Now, which app you want to select? So that is the reason you need to update the urls.py file in your first project. In your first project. That means, see this one, under this URL pattern, I am including the first app URLs. You understand the meaning? So, what is the app name? First app. If you want the first app, then include first app. Suppose you have another app, then path again include that app dot urls. You got the point? Why? Because that URL pattern from the project only route to the corresponding app, route to the corresponding app. You got it? Understand the logic. It's a very simple logic. Open, final last statement is C users. This one, select my virtual environment, scripts, first to project. Here where you need to update? You need to update under first to project. So select the URLs. Now update. Update in the sense everything is common. This is admin link. This is a path to admin page. Here you need to include one more path to your app. That is the thing. Simply see this one. Here we are writing one module include. And we are writing this statement. What is the statement? First, this URL's pattern is executed. Once this pattern is executed, it includes this one. Automatically, it calls this one. From this, a view is called. From that, the response is given. You got the order? That is the order. Now, an app is created, request is given, response is taken, everything is happened successfully. What is the last step? Last step is run Python space manage.py manage.py run server. So this manage.py is a Python file which is used for running the server. Press enter. See this one? It gives some result. Hmm. Here, this one. Go to this path in any web browser. In any web browser. Suppose this web browser is already opened for creation of first project. Simply press enter. Here observe a message hello world is displayed. Now observe right now I created a Django project with a single and simple app. So in the later sessions we will discuss a lot how to create HTML file, how to create template. Observe right now I am using only the concept of view. Later, we will move the concept of models and template. The complete MVT is to be implemented. This is the procedure. Thank you very much.